Hey everyone! Welcome back to Josephine Life Dose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a highly requested topic, home remedies to reduce dark spots on your face. Let's get started. First up, we have lemon juice. Lemons are packed with vitamin C and have natural bleaching properties that can help lighten dark spots. Squeeze fresh lemon juice into a bowl. Using a cotton ball, apply the juice directly to the dark spots.
Leave it on for about 10 minutes, then rinse off with water. Remember, lemon juice can make your skin more sensitive to sunlight, so always use sunscreen afterward.
Next, we have aloe vera. Aloe vera is known for its soothing and healing properties. Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to the dark spots and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing off with lukewarm water. Repeat this daily for the best results. Apple cider vinegar is another great remedy. It contains acetic acid, which can help lighten pigmentation. Mix equal parts apple cider vinegar and water. Apply the mixture to the dark spots using a cotton ball, leave it on for a few minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy once daily. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help reduce dark spots. Mix turmeric powder with honey or yogurt to form a paste. Apply it to the affected areas and leave it on for 15-20 minutes before rinsing off. Honey and yogurt make a great combination. Honey has antibacterial properties, while yogurt contains lactic acid that helps exfoliate the skin.
Mix them together to create a mask. Apply it to your face, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse off.
Green tea is rich in antioxidants and can help reduce dark spots. Brew a cup of green tea, let it cool, and apply it to the dark spots using a cotton ball. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing off. Lastly, we have papaya. The enzymes in papaya can help exfoliate the skin and reduce dark spots. Mash ripe papaya and apply it to your face. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. There you have it, 8 natural remedies to help reduce dark spots on your face. Remember to do a patch test before trying any new remedy to ensure you don't have an allergic reaction. And always use sunscreen to protect your skin from further damage and to prevent existing spots from darkening. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Comment down below if you have any other remedies that work for you. And as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.